What is your oh my god, I have done it moment?
When I saw the first two Asaya products getting packed on the production line.
Intense moisture gel and sunscreen gel. These whole designs which were all photography led, black and white, brand logo and the brand name, all that we'd been working together culminate into these cartons and finally feeling like a very surreal moment.
Your oh my god, I have done it moment?
It's about to come. We've been working on this path-breaking product that we will launch this month in August. City Pigmentation Spot Correction Serum. Something like this has never been done.
What 3 emojis would you use to describe your first year?
First emoji is this, which meant a lot of sleepless nights, very long days, and a lot of hard work that has gone in the first year of us putting together this brand and all the products that we now have. Second emoji would be this. This also meant a lot of small and big wins, which we were able to find throughout this 1 year journey, and we were able to, celebrate all of these. Lastly, this, which is a lot of research that is going into bringing together solutions and products that work best for our melanated skin and for truly making it a melanin first skincare brand.
What would you have said to yourself a year ago?
We should have started sooner. Honestly, it's been a great experience starting brand Asaya and building it. And that's all because of the consumer love here.
Excitement, uncertainty and confidence. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.